Chat, what's going on, man? When you come, Marco, I am right here to save the day. No, I'm playing. But yeah, how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing on this fine Thursday? Thursday. God damn. Ever since I came back from Dubai, I don't really know what day it is over here. Shit. What's up, chat? My bad. Okay. I'm a little all over the place right now. But I'm back. I'm good. I'm chilling. How's everybody doing? Wow, today you are 10 minutes early. Congratulations. What? Are you trying to say that I'm late every morning? Who said that? Atch? Are you saying I'm late? What up and where, wifey? Okay, chat, listen. I need everybody's help this morning. Before we do anything, before we talk about charts, before we take any trades, I need you guys to do me a favor. Everybody type in chat, feel better, wifey, because she's not feeling good this morning. Everybody type in chat, feel better, wifey. Type that in, feel better, wifey. She's not feeling good this morning, chat. Aw, yo, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. It's gonna be a good day though, man. It's gonna be a good day. We've had actually to be fair, we've had a great week on the charts. Yo, chat, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. Now, I'm gonna ask one more favor. Okay? But this favor is to help you guys actually. So it's like twisted on you. You guys need to like the stream as well. If you like the stream, we're gonna do some fire giveaways today. Okay, we'll leave it up to Anthony. We'll leave it up to the boss man Anth. But if you like the stream, if we run up the likes today, we'll do a crazy giveaway today. He said we can. So if we run it up, chat. If we run it up, chat, then we're gonna do a spicy giveaway. Marco made you sick. she's got a stomach ache this morning, chat. Okay, nice one. Yeah, so chat, we've had a solid week, like I've been saying. We've had the shorts I took with you guys on Tuesday. I took shorts yesterday on NQ. And then I had Euro. Oh my god, Euro was a banger. Euro was a banger. If you guys are not in the Discord, get in the Discord because I posted the trade in the Discord. 1 second. Let's see if I can bring it up here. I posted the trade in the Discord. Look here, chat. Boom. Targets were hit while I was sleeping. Oh wait, you can't see my screen yet. Shit. Here we go. 1 second. I'll do a brief breakdown on stream today. A little brief breakdown. But if you guys want the full breakdown, yeah, get in the Discord and spam my message. Get in the Discord and run it up. Put the fire emoji. Tell me you guys want it. Because if you guys don't, then how am I gonna know people want me to make breakdowns or not? You know what I mean? So run up the message in the Discord and we'll make a fire breakdown for you guys. I'll post it tonight in the Discord for you. But yeah, a couple things to talk about. So let's remove these because I'm not in them no more. Damien says he's up 35% on BTC. Damn. That's a damn. Okay. Let's talk some charts. Love you, Marco. I love you too, man. What's up, Marco? I'm good. Sorry, chat. I'm just gonna get caught up here. I'm feeling this morning is the first morning that I'm starting to feel better. I'm still like, you can hear it in my voice. I'm still like stuffed up and stuff, but like my headache and the chills and the week, all that stuff is going away. So finally, man, it's been a minute. I have been ill for like a week, bro. It's been crazy. Okay, let's hop into some charts here. So I'm a little bit upset with myself, little bit touch, because last night I was looking at NQ and I was gonna set a limit right here, chat, just like this, and guess what? I didn't set it. I wanted to take an entry right above that 4-hour high. So spike, there's the entry, and look at that, to the downside it goes. So I'm not in NQ right now. I'm, again, a little upset. If you guys aren't following me on socials, get on there, because I've been forecasting every move on this thing so far. But we're looking at price all the way back down to 24,154. So I'm short. I'm short as fook. Okay, all I want to do is blast shorts. So let's see what stock open can give us in the next 25 minutes. But I'm short. I'm shorter than ever. And I'm also short in real life. So I'm short everywhere right now. I'm fucking short. Okay, chat? I'm short here, I'm short there, I'm short everywhere. Short it all. Okay. Again, NQ, at the least, what I can see right now, I'm gonna need to see more PA, but what I can see right now, just based off the 1-hour chart, chat, is I need a spike above. Oops. A little all over the place, but a spike above, and then we short that shit. That's what I'm seeing right now. Hopefully this thing doesn't just do this off the open. Because that'll be sad, because then that entry I wanted in at the highs, I'm not in. Are you shorter than wifey? No. Listen, wifey is short. Okay, I'm short. I'm basically 5'9", and that's pretty short for a dude. Actually, I'm just kidding. I'm 6'1". 6'1", 180, and 8.5% body fat. 6'1", 180, 8% body fat. You know what I'm saying? But no, I wish, chat. No, I'm not. I'm 5'8". No, I'm 5'9". Don't even know what I am anymore. I'm 5'9". Wifey's like 5'1". So we're chilling. You better say it loud when taking a trade. Yo, Fahad, just because you said that, I'm not going to say anything when I take a trade now. Oops. Yeah, so NQ, I'm short, chat. I'm really short. Okay? So we're going to look for shorts off the open. Hopefully it doesn't just die without us. Okay, moving on. Here, we'll check gold for you guys, because I know there's you gold freaks in here. Gold above daily highs. We spiked Thursday, spiked Wednesday. I'm short on gold, chat. I mean, I'm short. It's not clean, but I'm short. I like the shorts. Listen, the thing is, when gold starts shorting, chat, because I'm not super confident, but when it does, this is the target, bro. And look how far we are. We're talking 3,800 pips away. I don't see anything clean, though, as of today. So, there's time, though. There's time. Euro. Boom. Let's go, chat. Look at this trade. I didn't even get the cleanest entry. I had a bigger stop loss, too. And look how clean it still is. This is the beauty of CFDs. Higher time frames. Chat, this puts me at 12K on CFDs this year. I've taken 4 trades. 4 trades on CFD this year. Wait, I might have to get fact checked on that, because I think I had a break even recently that I'm forgetting about. It might be 5, okay? Hold the phone. Might be 5, but still. In a month and a half, not many trades, right? A lot of you guys take 5 trades in a friggin' single day. It's been a month and a half. And this is what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at, chat. If I can give you just a brief, quick breakdown, because remember, if you want the full breakdown, get in the Discord. Exclamation mark Discord in chat. Join the Discord, run up my message, and I'll post the breakdown in there. All right? But euro to the upside, respecting this liquidity block to the left. Why is this a liquidity block? Easy. Highs taken out. Okay? So look. Cool. And then we move to the downside. Look at this. LB created. We respect it. See? I'll point it out to you guys to make it as obvious as possible. Excuse me. Still got a cough clearly. Moving on to when I took my entry. Look. Some sort of an LB created. Open it up on the 15-minute. You can see. We came up, we spiked those highs. I didn't take any entries here. My entry, look. Clean, bro, clean. Highs taken. POS for retail, right? Which means I want to see price where? Down here. Okay? Down to those lows. Also, look. Down here. What's this? POS. Right? Any reactions down here? Traps. Look. My entry? Clean, bro. Like super clean. Look at this buildup of liquidity. Sellers get in here. Sellers get in here. Here. And push price down. They have left liquidity here. Look what price does. Goes short. Comes back up to take those sellers out. There's my entry. Okay. Fib. There you are. There you are, chat. So, that was euro. Target is now met, which means I'm all out. Actually, that's a payout now for me. But look at this weekly candle, chat. Look at this weekly candle. We are, bro. I posted a chart. Where did I post it? Let me see. Let me take a look quick. I posted a chart on my Twitter. Let's see. See if we can find this real quick. This chat. Oh wait, you can't see this, can you? Can you see this? Oh, you can. Beautiful. Here, chat. Look at this chart I posted. Look at these targets. Look at these targets. This is a forecast I posted like a week ago, or maybe 2 weeks ago now. And look at it now. Highs taken. And we got, bro, we got targets to the downside. Look at this. I am bearish on euro. Like bearish. Alright, so this is what we're looking at. Sec chat. Alright. Sorry. Pardon me. Just to answer a message on my phone real quick. So that was euro. I'm bearish, bro, on this thing. I'm going to be bearish for a bit. I have to be. Be foolish of me not to be. You know what I mean? Other pairs, yeah, if you like here, if you look at Aussie chat, very bearish to these lows at the least. At the least. Then you got an LB down here, which can be respected for a little bit, but I'm definitely gonna remain bearish on this as well. So this area could get respected for a bit. So keep that in mind on Aussie. But I'm still gonna remain intraday wise. This is definitely still a target. Intraday, okay? Marco, do you think the market will have a big impact this week due to upcoming war? Always, always, always. The market will react to these things. Always, always, always. USD CAD's running from my target right now. I want price back up to these highs. Put a little tag on that. Do you want to see USD CAD back up there? I don't really see any reason for entries as of yet, though, unfortunately. UJ is just honestly very ugly, in my opinion, right now. EuroCAD's finally selling off. Look at this price action we had, though. Holy heart rate monitor. And everything else is kind of caca. Crypto making its way down slowly but surely. Okay, let's make our way back to NQ chat. I'm hoping we get... Oh, okay, no, we didn't really miss anything. Mohib, everything is in my... If you go follow me on socials, bro, and that'll answer all your questions. I have a website and everything, bro. Hey. Hey, Marco, what's up? I want to master your system. What should I do? Put that fucking work in, bro. There's so much content out there for you to study. I have... a YouTube. Oh my god, by the way, chat, if you guys can just do me a big favor right now. If you guys can just do me a big favor. I'm not the type of person to do this. However, I'm so close to a big milestone on YouTube. I would much appreciate if you guys could go just hit subscribe. I need like 50 or something, 50 more subs, and I'm gonna hit 30K. I'll cry right now on stream if we hit it. Right now we're at 29,943. Let's see if I can bring up like a... Yeah, 29,943. I am like 57 subs. Wait, is that mathing? Yeah, 57 subs away from 30,000. Oh my god, that's insane. That's insane, chat. Marco ETH coming for an LB. I take a look. Congratulations in advance, bro. I appreciate your hard work. Yo, I love those kind of messages. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you, Nidu. I've subbed. Much love, bro. Much love. I appreciate everybody who subs. Even the people that don't want to sub. Yo, I still love you too. Let's take a look at ETH, though. Somebody said they want to take a look at ETH. All right, let's do it. I'm bearish as hell, but... I'm telling you, chat, when we are up here, okay, when we are up here, I kept telling you, 880, and I'll keep saying it, 880 looks too good. It looks too good. Okay, something you need to keep in mind, though, is we have this area at the lows. This can definitely hold price up for a bit. Since I have subscribed, I have 14 other friends of mine that have subscribed to yours as well. You are a gem. A gem? We'll cry right now, bro. Yeah, we just went up 10 subs too. You guys are awesome. I only need 50 more and we hit 30K, chat. That's insane. Sub, much love, bro. I appreciate you guys. But yeah, nothing really to look at on ETH, my bro. I'm gonna say we are still very, very bearish. This red area should hold price up a bit. Like we could go long here. But I still want to see shorts. All right. So that's all I can say for now. That's all I can say for now. Wish I had a little bit more to give you guys on gold as well, but it does still look like shit, to be completely honest. The only thing I'm really confident in right now, Chad, is obviously I like NQ. Aussie, USD CAD, very confident in those directions. Everything else is, yeah, no thank you. So that's everything right now. ES, so yeah, let's take a look at ES. I know you guys are, there's a lot of ES traders in here. Short. Short it. Short this shit. And to be completely honest, like, yo, ES to these lows. ES to these lows. This makes the most sense to me, chat. Like, yo, I think we're gonna see a little bit of blood in the markets now, because I'm seeing short across all indices, chat, and crypto. So I think we're gonna see some hefty moves. IMO. Blood in the markets. Long ES. Oh, am I seeing something different then? Am I tripping? Ooh, I don't want to long. I'll happily take a short, and if it's a loss, it's a loss. I wouldn't long this market. I would not long this market. What are the current contracts for NQ right now, chat? Long ES looks good. Yo, try. Am I blind? What do you mean long ES? Oh, hell no, bro. Maybe I'm tripping, but I do not see longs. I do not. I do not.
Nope, 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 nope.
Marco German 40. I don't believe anything too pretty to point out. Don't like the way this has been delivered so far. Yeah, I'm not sure on German 40. I'm just going to wait on that. Someone in my community took a sick long on oil, chat. A sick long. We'll just pull it up on the futures chart, but... Oh my god, and it just hit targets too. Nasty one. Right down here. Here's entry. Here's stop loss. And here's target. Just hit. Everybody go on your oil charts after the stream is done and study this chart in front of you. Take a screenshot right now. Take a screenshot. Take your pictures. Click, click, click. And go study this chart, because there's lots to learn on this chart right here. Some good stuff. How about we sweep previous H4? Yeah, that's possible, but the H4 doesn't close till 10 a.m. So that's 36 minutes away. That's 36 minutes away. Excuse me. What could happen? Keep an eye on this. This would be pretty cool, chat. But stock opens up. Here's a spike, and there's the long. Just keep that there. I'm going to blow my nose for a minute, chat. 1 second. Give me a second. Am I good? Do I have any boogers coming up my nose? I think I'm good. I think I'm good, chat. But yo, what the? Come on, chat. NQ looks as so shiny as Marco's head. can't handle chat, bro. NQ looks as shiny as Marco's head. Yo, I need to... Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the... I try to take a screenshot, bro, and... Why can't I take screenshots? Am I tripping? Shift screen... Windows... Also, chat, what time is it coming out? 10 a.m. So in 30 minutes, 35 minutes, brand new episode from the one and only Mr. Riz. The man who does all of this for us. All of this. Puts out a new podcast in 30 minutes. So we all got to go give that a watch afterwards. I'll definitely be doing that. Why take these longs if we are short buys? No, Alan, I never said I was going to take it. I'm just saying that could happen. But I good eyes, good eyes. Bro, your videos changed my life. I've managed to get rich since living in the worst place on earth. Yo, I mean, just out of curiosity, what's the worst place on earth? Counter scalp trading is risky. Hey, yo, you guys are learning from me, bro. That's shit I say, and you guys are telling me now. Yo, somebody just unsubscribed to the YouTube channel. That's so not nice, man. Fort Lauderdale, Iran. Oh shit. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to get into politics shit, but. Yo, the Science Globe says hi bald baby. Yo, I can't. I feel like I'm definitely getting trolled, bro. I'm definitely getting trolled. This idea is scratched now because the 30-minute low is gonna get ran already. Chat, you know what would be delicious? Tech chat. Okay, yeah, now I'm getting trolled. Today I need a free challenge of 100k. Bald boy, do something. I'm putting your ass in timeout. You're not going to call me bald boy. 5-minute timeout. See you later. What the fuck? Yo, where's Marco loves liquidity? Where's that guy? That guy makes me laugh. Mark, tell me how to find the trap. Yo, the trap, bro. The trap is literally, I don't know what everybody likes to call it different things. It's basically just a liquidity run. It's a trap move, right? So like if I'm short, I want to see this trap move occur. And then I take the short, right? That's all. That's all it is, chat. Okay, listen, we got stock open coming in right now. 10 seconds, so lock in. Here we go. See what happens. Excuse me. Low's taken here. Could go long right now, but I would stay away. Here, let's look at this on the seconds chart because it's going to go wiki on us. Right, little reaction. Here's the reaction. Good luck, everyone. Prepare for battle. Did it do what we wanted it to? Yeah, it did. So it just held that low before open. I thought I was going to take it before the open, but it held it, spiked it, and we go. Guys, the time frame is always on the top left of my screen. Look at my cursor. You guys should know this if you're on this TradingView app a lot. Look at my cursor. Tell me how to get more accurate entry. Yo, I love the people that come in here and just demand me to do things like I'm a fucking puppet. These are my favorite people too that come in chat. Good luck battling Nascrack. What's up, Jonathan? How we doing, brother? You are so much more active today, brother. I've been sick, man. And this morning was the first morning I woke up feeling better. Like, I'm still congested. You can hear it in my voice, like my nose and my throat and stuff like that. But like my head isn't all over the place now, which is nice. Okay, so we have highs taken here, chat. If you guys are in this trade, I definitely recommend to be rolling your stop aggressively. This is a counter bias move, so however you want to manage it, that's how I would be managing it though. I would be BE down here now. Because this is a counter bias move, it can just come back and leave highs intact until 10 a.m. as well. Setting limit? No, sir. I have no limit marked. Chat, remember, I trade futures, bro. So, like, you guys see my entries on the chart. It's literally in front of you on the right-hand side here. You guys will see if I have limits. You guys will see if I'm in a trade. There's no hiding nothing. I'm not trading Forex. Forex is on my phone, of course, but... You are holding Eurotrade? No, Eurotrade is closed out, bro. Eurotrade is closed out the lows. Down here. Eurotrade was closed right here. Everything else that happens is irrelevant. My setup's complete. I captured like 80 pips, bro. I gotta love that. Take that and go. I don't need the whole move. Can you break down that trade, please? The trade is... I'm going to be doing a breakdown in the Discord chat, so join the Discord if you guys have not yet already. Excuse me. Marco, which is the most aggressive confirmation you can take on the account when a move is happening? When the move is happening. Like a candle closure, I guess? I don't know. I guess you could say that. Aussie's still selling. These lows are the target. You can grab all of these, but this is a safe one. USD CAD going to target as well. Excuse me. YM shorting. NQ shorting. ES following suit. Yes, sir. All right, chat. We have... Bro, these highs intact, man. Yo, if the 4 hour closes up and we get that 10 a.m. reversal after the highs get taken. Bro, I took Oz and I closed it. I wish I could hold. You gotta train yourself to hold. And you know, this thing's just gonna go without us, chat. Rip. It's a big RIP in the chat. What are you waiting for? Which high are you taking? 24,902. Yo, it's holding the lows. It's holding the lows, chat. That's good. That's a very good sign. It's the only way I can short this thing, man. It'd be foolish of me to short it below these highs. I can't do it. Dollar selling. Gold selling. NQ selling. It was selling. That's Michael Long now. Hourly low taken here. So 9 a.m. is now taken 8 a.m. I wouldn't touch anything right now, chat. This is not a buyer's market right now. In my opinion, at least. Oh. Wow, look at that bounce on BTC. Huh? 0.45% bounce? Yo, Damien, you tripping? Can you show us your plan for entry? My plan is here, just to keep it as simple as possible. I short above highs, I long below lows. The entry is taken. The entry is taken at highs and lows I deem to have no liquidity. What do I mean by that? We've created this high here that has ran liquidity in the past. So I deem this high to have no liquidity, right? We haven't come up and respected it. So that would be an entry because this high doesn't have liquidity there yet. So that would be an example of taking an entry at a high I deem to have no liquidity. That's just the logic, the story behind it. Remember, this is all a theory at the end of the day, guys. All of this is theoretical. No one knows how the market works. No one knows about algorithms. I'm sorry, not even Michael doesn't. I apologize. But yeah, this is all theories at the end of the day. So this is just how I kind of like build a story, I guess you could say, around my entry. A little fictional story. Marco CAD JPY. You know what? Here, let's just take a look. I don't trade the pair, but hey, we're waiting on NQ right now. All yen pairs are kind of in the same boat, bro. Damn, ugly. Ugly stuff though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not confident. I would say longs back up to here. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible to have longs back up to the highs. This ain't clean. CAD JPY ain't clean. So I don't want to give you a stupid analysis if I don't have a good idea of where it's headed. So ignore it. Ignore it. I think NQ is just going to head for the lows without us, chat. That's it. This might be an RIP in the chat. Please hold these lows. Please, NQ. Do it for us. Do it for us. All right. We're giving that a little pop right now. Little pop. Holding the lows. Yes, taking the low SMT. I don't trade SMT, bro. Oh, chat, listen up. This guy says, Marco, do you think that my head will look like yours, as I am not 18 yet and I started trading 3 years ago? Am I cooked? Well, I'll give you a piece of advice, okay? And you take what you want from this. I'm bald, yet I have the hottest girl in the world. I don't know. 1 + 1 = 2 here. Maybe shaving the head is the way. Marco, show us a picture with hair. Chat, you guys are gonna... 1 second. Let's see if I can find something. Huh. Yo, I don't got nothing. I got this. Yo, Chad, this is me when I was like 10 or something. Look at those rabbit teeth, chat. Look at that. How old are you, Marco? I am, how old am I again? 29. I turned 30 in April, chat. I turned 30 in April, I know. Call me Unc. Call me whatever you want. I don't give a shit no more. He is working on his long for tonight's play. Yo, Scuba. 200 IQ, bro. What the fuck? How do you know what I was doing? Yo, Scuba, you smart. DJ Khaled. You smart, Scuba. Yo, get out of here with these fucking sus ass shit, man. What the hell? When are you coming to visit in the UK? Soon times. I have to come with wifey. And we're gonna figure something out. Look at this reaction on NQ. Damn, bro. There's a 15-second candle. RIP, bro. This thing's just cooked without us, chat. Hooked without us. And no, there's no way of taking this. These are all targets to the downside, though, so to be honest with you, this is the target for today, 24,608. I think this area will hold for a little bit down here, chat. This area should hold. Excuse me. Don't worry, I'm 44 years old. Yo, 44 is the new 24. Trust me. You're more than welcome to be my guest and meet my family. Damn. Well, that's kind of you. How did you get into trading? Honestly, guys, I think I got into it like how most of you probably did, and across some scammer on YouTube or Instagram. Yo, look at my Lamborghini. I'll teach you how to buy this as well. And then I'm like, oh my God, I want a Lamborghini. $5,000. $5,000. And I'm just giving this guy money. Oh, perfect. What do you think of ES? It's tracing back. I'm going to remain the same across all assets here. ES still definitely bearish. But it's respecting lows, could come for highs. Same kind of scenario with NQ. If it holds the lows, bro, I'm a happy man. Because that means there's going to be another opportunity for us, chat. And that's fun. That is called fun. We like fun. $911 GT3 RS, chat. Yo, chat. I have to go car shopping. The car I have right now, I love it. It's like my dream spec. It's a truck I've wanted for a while. But I got it in last year, chat. And it has only given me problems and problems and problems. So sad because I love this thing. I'll show you what it is. This is my car right here. You see on the right hand side. That's my car right there. I love it. I love the color. I love the seats. I love the way it drives. I love all of it. But it has given me, chat, problem after problem after problem. And it's brand new, bro. How is it I finally buy one of my dream SUVs and it's been problem after problem after problem? You know how depressing that is? I worked my ass off and I finally get an SUV I've wanted since... honestly, these things came out in like 2014. That was over 10 years ago. That was like, holy shit, I want to have an SQ5 one day. And... yeah. It's the first of its kind. So they redid the interior, redid everything. And it has problems after problem after problem. So sad. So sad. When did you start trading? I heard about trading. This is always a difficult question to ask because, and I talked about this in a podcast recently. I heard about trading like 6 years ago. I wasn't like actively studying and stuff though. Get a Macan GTS, yo, Matt. Funny, I was looking at one. We'll see. We'll see. I do love the Macans. I do love the Macans. The thing is though, I love my truck. Like I don't want to go get another car, but you guys don't understand. And like I feel like I'm also being a brat, but at the same time, I pay quite a bit of money for this car and it's brand new. It's been in the shop maybe 5 times. There was a point in time where I almost didn't drive it for 5 weeks. Like for a new car, that should not be happening. You know what I mean, chat? Marco, finish your story about trading. Sorry. Yeah, so I heard about trading like 6 years ago, but I wasn't actively studying yet. until like I took it more serious a couple years later. I started studying. Then I went part-time in my work, part-time in plumbing. So I was in plumbing before, chat. I went part-time, traded in the mornings, worked in the afternoons and evenings. And then, yeah. Yes, sir. Tell Audi to go F themselves and go to Porsche. Trust, Matt. I'm trying my best. I'm supposed to get more information this week, so. Try Toyota? I don't want a Toyota. I don't want a Toyota. Hi, Marco. Yesterday during New York lunchtime reversal, there was a small 1 minute LB on the left. I think I know what you're talking about. It's funny you said that. Tell you quick, actually. So you're talking about this area. Watch this. I'm going to help you understand why it ended up getting ran. So yes, this area could provide reactions. Deb, I believe your name is. Look at this. So, look, it did provide reactions, right? Like this sell from high to low that's 230 ticks. Like it provided a reaction, but look, induced sellers, trap them. And then watch this, induced sellers, trap them. That is my view. That is my view. Hope that answers your question. Yeah, chat. My short yesterday I took in the PM session was like this. So I saw that we took the liquidity from the left, and I don't actively trade. So this is on my phone, actually. I seen this 15-minute candle here. Look, came up, spiked the internal, and gave a reaction down. I just took the entry on the 15-minute close. Stop loss goes above the liquidity block. That's always the same. That will never change. Stop loss goes above this high. So that's what it looked like for me. And I closed it, to be honest with you, at the very bottom. Right down here. As soon as 3 o'clock spiked out 2 o'clock. So about an 800-ish tick move, but that was my entry yesterday. Then the price comes up, spikes internal, and sells off more. Now we're respecting the lows. Chat. If it takes these highs, I think we could see a clean sell. Let's see what happens here. Was that a risky entry? No, it's the same thing. It's literally that. You got to think about it. If you were to take it on the lower time frames, where's your stop loss going? It's going above this high. So my stop loss went above that high. I just got a lower entry, so I didn't get in at the top, right? My entry, lower time frame entry. Lower time frame entry, my entry. That's it. Stop loss. That's the most important part, chat, is the stop loss placement. Stop thinking you need the tops and bottoms. You don't. I still made 2,500 on this move right here. And I took a 15-minute rejection. Candle close entry. But my stop loss stays in the same spot. It's like I was replicating lower time frame entry. I just had a lower entry. That's it. That's it. Can you check gold? Yeah, gold's going long right now. So it's just done a classic induce and trap, but we have lows to the left. So I'm not trading. I would never trade at this right now. I wouldn't trade gold whatsoever right now. Like I was just talking about earlier in the stream, gold is still ugly as shit in my opinion. We have lows intact, we have highs intact. When the short does occur, yeah, these lows are beautiful, but it looks like we might just continue long as well. This is why I'm currently sidelined on this asset. We got, look at this. I can literally trap price. You can call it trap price with 2 lines on my chart. Look, this low and this high. That's it. This is all, and look at this, no coincidence. This is all a buildup. This is all rangy PA. Do you know, you guys have no idea how many people are getting slapped in this price action. So I just grabbed this low and I grabbed this high and I just trapped price in here. That's it. All of this is a buildup. This is why I've been sidelined from gold since February 2nd. That is almost, that's half a month ago, right? It's half a month time. NQ is above the highs, chat. We have 3.5 minutes till 4-hour closes as well. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Slapped? Yeah, quiet storm. Trust me, bro. And people won't admit it, but I understand this. I've been in this game long enough. People are getting murdered in that price action because they don't know where it's going. They don't know if it's long or short. So they take a long. They're like, oh, but maybe it can short still. They take a short and they're maybe like, oh, maybe it's going to long still. They will have toxic trade management. They'll have zero confidence in holding the move. I promise you. Oh, well, this is awkward. I just got signed out of my accounts. Second chat. That's the thing about futures accounts is you get signed out every 24 hours. We're back. You're looking for short or long? I'm looking to long right now. Yo, I don't know if the homie Dale Screen is in here right now. Shout out the homie. He sent me this man's been studying and he sent me a sick trade he took earlier. I don't know, maybe it was today or yesterday. But shout out Dale. He DM'd me on Instagram and showed me a sick trade he took when he was studying the Chart Fanatics video. So that tells me those kind of guys are the guys doing it right. I don't know if he's in here right now, but he was in here before. Marco, do you still talk with Abbott? Of course. Check ETH for possible long. I will never long ETH or BTC right now. I'm short on both assets. I am short on both assets, period. Dunzo. No thank you. All right. 4 hour just closed up. 4 hour just closed up. Got some lows taken here. Yo, Stephen Paul, bro. I don't know why you keep putting in capital letters. Marco, tell me about inducement clearly, please. Bro, go watch videos, please. Go study. I've talked about these questions, man. These basic questions will all be answered, guys, in that YouTube video I did on Chart Fanatics, please. It's funny, though, because the people that actually do take the time and study these videos, they're the ones that actually end up seeing the results come through. Please, guys, all this content I put out for you guys is put out for a reason. There's value in there. So study it. Take advantage of it. It's free content for you guys. Why are you asking, did they beef? No, of course not. Where the hell did that come from? Here you go, chat. 2-hour long video about me talking about how I trade, how I view the markets. Deuceman funded me, bro. Thank you. Let's go, man. W. All right. 4-hour high is getting hunted for right now, chat. All right, chat. We're coming for 4-hour high right now. Mark this out. Has the trade been executed yet? Oh, man. You guys kill me, bro. All right, H4 high taken. See what we get. I think there's also a chance, chat, we can get a spike above these highs too. So I won't be top picking right now. Let's see what happens. Yo. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to give you guys my view. All right. If we short today, I'm confident, very confident in all of these lows to go today / tomorrow. Now, I'm always open to give the flip side too, because if I'm incorrect, these highs will get revisited 100%. So if the short idea is incorrect, chat, these highs will go. However, I'm leaning on shorts more. And if it is correct, these lows, man, like you're looking at well over 2,000, well over 1,000 ticks, over 300 points to the downside. So chat. How do you want to take short? I don't have an entry yet, bro. If I do start entering now, this is risky entry, good direction. So we'll see. We'll see what we get here. Mentor, even though I learned from your videos online, your guidance changed my mindset, direction. Your words made a real impact on my life. Thank you for sharing your knowledge so generously. Damn, man. I appreciate messages like that, bro, and I'm happy for you. Keep at it. That's awesome to read. The fact that I can be an impact on some people's lives like that is just, it's mind-blowing to me. It's incredible. But keep at it. Stay consistent. In my opinion, success and results is inevitable through hard work. Period. And that's as easy as that. Hard work is king. Work your ass off. We're getting that reaction right now, chat. You know what? I'm also like genuinely excited as well, Chad. Is the perspective you gotta have right now is I'm up quite a bit this week on future, actually on both futures and CFD. So any risk I put on the table today, it's all house money, you can call it. I'm playing with profits. I'm actually not losing any of the account balance. I'm just losing profits, and that's like an incredible way to see it. And like these are times like if you're super confident in a setup, scale the risk, right? You're playing with, again, house money. Add to those winners. Love from India. Love right back, bro. Marco, can you sing? Bro, I sing really good in the shower. Like Beyonce type shit. But overconfidence can also lead to bad traits, of course. Damien, you gotta know the line to that, right? Hi, chat. I'm gonna enter here soon on this pullback. We'll see. I'm essentially predicting that this high is gonna be the extreme, right? I just want to spike above this high right here, chat. That's all. If I can get a spike above that, we're in. Why not to the left from the high? Sorry. Why not the highs to the left instead? Yeah, it's possible that these highs can go. It's possible. But I'm just looking at this as the confirmation-based entry now. Take that spike up here, entry, and I'll look for that short back down. Time is there. Liquidity's there. Listen, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Everything lines up for me here. So why not, right? I can't just second guess myself. I have all my confluences in line. I'm playing with house money, playing with profits. So why wouldn't I? You know what I mean? See if the winning streak continues here. That rejection right now on the 15. What time is it? 10:12. We're getting a little bit of reaction. We need to hold this low, bro. If we can hold this low, we're chilling. If not, then unfortunately no entry, bro. It is what it is. Definitely want to see price hold this low though. Just a spike up. We take the entry and we ride it down. Where's the stop loss? It's going to be above the high here. How nice is to listen to you on live trading? Yo, let's go out. What did Euro end up doing the rest of the day today? I'm very happy with that, how this played out. Sick trade on Euro, bro. Let's hope we don't just leave all this. 10:15. I'm hoping for a new 15-minute candle. Opens up, we get the wick, and we go down. Trump speaking about Iran. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to take an entry, bro. Trump's going to talk and boom, slapped. Fucking, it's going to be one of these, chat. We get in. Trump speaks. That's what's going to happen. Oh, man. Okay, we're going to pull back right now. Yeah, you guys know my pain. That's actually happened to me before. Though I have a video on my Instagram chat. I was like, no word of a lie, like two ticks from my target getting hit. I think it was Trump or like Powell that came on to speak, and boom, all the way back down to break even. It was insane. It was one minute candle, came all the way back down to my entry. I love your live sessions. Always makes my day. Damn, man. All right, chat, we're in. Remember my stop at like 9. I'll do 9:54 here. Just like this. It's not a lot of risk, to be honest with you. We're risking about 140 ticks. If this specific entry is incorrect, maybe we come for these equals above. So we'll wait to see here. This is the entry. This is the stop loss. And the targets to the downside. Yeah, I mean, you have multiple targets, but this is what we're looking at. Marco, what's good? Tune in late. How you feeling? Yo, I'm feeling a lot better today. I'm feeling a lot better. Sickness is slowly drifting away. Let's see. We have one more high here that we can run for. And then I want to see that reaction down. If, like I said, chat, if this entry doesn't hold, we're going to probably come for these equals here. And then maybe you see the reaction like this. So I'm open to both. I'm okay to take an L in order to find my win. Remember, and this is a lesson for everybody in here, I'm playing with profits right now. I'm playing with profits. So you can't be scared in these situations. Well, you shouldn't be scared whatsoever, period. But again, I'm playing with profits. So this is good. Let's see what happens. Where's your stop loss, my bro? I have the tool on the screen right here. All right, so here we've called it so far. So far, so good. Next 15-minute candle comes up. We grab that entry there. Stop loss above the high. So that's good so far. Let's see if we can get that follow through though. This has only been like a 1-minute candle so far, so let's not speak too soon here, chat. This thing can still rocket to the upside. When we start breaking down below these lows, my confidence will definitely increase. Give me a second, chat. I'm going to blow my nose because I'm getting stuffed up over here. One sec, chat. I'm going to leave the screen, come back, and Trump's going to talk, and boom, stop loss. One sec. Yeah, we back. Okay, Trump didn't talk yet. Trump didn't talk yet. If this short bias is correct, bro, you should see a disgusting short occur. If it's correct, you know what I mean? Listen, bro, I could be wrong, man. Not a fortune teller. Trump is in our straight to the TP, or in our favor. I mean, let's hope. That would be ideal, wouldn't it be? When is Trump expected to talk? I'm actually not even sure. Somebody in chat said Trump was talking. Here, I'll check. No. I don't see nothing on my end right now. I don't see nothing on my end, chat. How many trades this month till now? I was talking about earlier. I have like 4 or 5 trades on CFD. Might have 5 because I think I forgot about a break-even trade. Yeah, I did. Oh my god, that's what it is. Euro CAD. You guys remember that trade I had with you guys on stream? Euro CAD was break-even. So that's five CFD trades. I'm taking like 2 to 3 trades per week on futures, because you have to remember I'm scalping intraday trading. I'm more active on the lower time frame, so I'm looking for smaller moves. CFDs, I'm only looking for higher moves, higher time frame moves. Oh shit, look at this candle, chat. What's the 5-minute looking like? What time is it? 10:22. So we have a new 30-minute candle opening up in 8 minutes, chat. This is the current 30-minute. No trade management as of yet. Let's wait. It'd be foolish to move any sort of stop losses right now. Bro, what do you do after a training session? Gym. But I'm sick right now, so I haven't been going gym. I was hating you, now I'm loving you. Ja. What? BE at 3R? Nah, I don't BE. I only BE if the chart tells me to BE. Nothing is convinced me yet, chat. This high can still get ran. We could still go long, so this could still happen. How many trades this month now, bro? Someone help me, chat. All right, let's see NQ drop, bro. Let's see it drop, chat. Come on. If it drops, we're laughing. If it longs, we're crying. Why does my chart look different than yours in 1 minute? I'm not sure, bro. Make sure you're on NQ1. Marco, statistically, when are you more profitable trading higher time frames or lower? Higher time frames. Higher time frames. I spoke about this before. I perform better in CFDs. Rise Beyond. All my links are in the description below. We're still holding these lows, chat. So what this tells me is we're still building at the lows. We're still building here. Right? Once, twice. So what time is it? 10:15. This high can still go. We'll analyze afterwards and see what happens. But there's still a lot of scenarios that could play out. This could not be the top. It's possible. So let's wait and see. Bro, please make more videos on YouTube, chat. Yo, you guys gotta cut me some slack, man. I'm trying my best over here. I'm putting out minimum 1 YouTube video per week, sometimes 2 per week. It's not easy. I have to get them actually properly edited. I like proper session to record it all. Like, it's not just I sit down and just record it, right? I'm trying my best over here for you, though. I promise. 10:25 a.m. 4 minutes until the next 30-minute candle opens up here. This is what we're looking like right now in the 30. Nothing interesting as of yet. Nothing crazy. Yeah, we're gonna have to just wait and see right now, chat. 15-minute, again, nothing too interesting. It's possible these highs are still in the cards, so let's just keep this on. We'll keep it on. New 5-minute candle right now. Trump anything but not talking. Yo, I dare Trump to talk. Imagine he just talks, chat, and then chart flies up. This would be the best content clip ever. Yo, Trump, I dare you to talk.
Huh?
Fucking Trump talks and that would be hilarious. Marco, you should stream every day. Man, I'm not built for that. I'm not built for that, chat. I'll stream as much as I can, but I can't stream every single day. You have to also understand, sometimes I like to just trade on my own, chat. I know it's hard to believe, man, but streaming it demands a lot out of you. And especially if you're going through a little losing period or a rough period in trading, bro, it's hard to stream. Sometimes you just want to be staring at the charts alone and listening to Marvin's Room by Drake. Yeah, I crack myself up sometimes, Chad. Marco, can I visit you when I come? Bro, come visit me. All right, we're getting a little bit of a breakdown. Nothing crazy as of yet, chat. Nothing crazy as of yet. To be honest with you, I want to see more candles close in my favor, some more momentum come in, some more profit, and then I'll start rolling my stop loss. I don't really, I'm not a fan of rolling my stop to even above this high, because we've left these lower time frame highs intact here. So I'm not really too keen on rolling my stop above this high yet. I could. What's interesting right now to me is a new 30-minute candle is about to come in and we're about to run lows. So I want to see just a push down, chat, just a push down. If I see a spike and price starts coming up rapidly, these highs are intact, and that's probably going to be the target. So you know what we're going to do is we're going to roll our stop when we take the lows, chat. We're going to roll our stop when we take the lows. Time and the chart tells me so. I'm not doing it out of fear. I'm doing it because the chart's telling me to. And this is something you guys need to understand, okay? Which low is your TP? All of these lows are possible TPs, bro. So you choose what you want to TP at. Okay? I'll do what I need to do. You do what you need to do. And all the power to you. All right, new 30-minute candle came in, and we haven't taken the low yet. We have not taken the low yet. Mark, are you streaming tomorrow? I'm not. Streaming with my community tomorrow. Oh, I feel extra stuffed up right now, chat. Ugh. Pretty sure we had a good close on the 5 there. Yeah, we did. 15, nothing crazy. We're still holding these lows. Not good. Just want to see a flush below, bro. Just want to see a flush below, chat. I don't want to see... If I see a price aggressively start moving up now, no bueno. I'll just cut it. I'll just cut the trade. Marco not vibing to the music today? What do you mean? Uh-oh. It's doing what I said it's doing, chat. No bueno. Okay, chat, what we're going to do here is simple trade management. I told you when the 30-minute opened up. I told you, I literally said this. If the 30-minute candle opens up, we could see a sharp move. And look, 2 1-minute candles, all it took. Called this one so far. It could still sell, but new 30-minute candle open. If this is the high of the 30, we're chilling, but it could still run higher. I'll cut it if it needs to be cut. Well, it's at break even. It's at break even now. Gross so far. We're gonna get tagged out here, BE, in a moment. You'll see it pop up on the bottom left of my screen here. Down here. All right, we're out. We're out, chat. BE. We're out, BE. Let's see what happens here. Look. We still have these highs intact. So, yes, the initial entry is BE'd, but that does not invalidate my idea whatsoever. Okay, so let's see. If we get a spike here, you could add, or you get a reaction and you add. Stop loss above the highs. So either one. Let's see what happens. So far, we're break even on this, so we're $0 on the day. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna give one more stab at this, chat. I only have 2 micros right now. If it sells from here, awesome. What I'm gonna wait to do is I'll wait for a reaction and I'll add more volume, and this will probably be the last entry. We'll see. So we're BE right now. See what price does right here. So I only have 2 micros, so I'm only risking $100. Literally $100. Nothing. Let's see what happens. Want to see a reaction in this area. If we get that reaction, chat, like I said, I'll add to my winner. If not, we'll eat this little loss, $100 across 5 accounts, and call it a day. And then we'll do some giveaways, chat. We'll do some giveaways here. One sec. Let me talk to Bossman Ant, see what's going on. If we run up the likes today, I'll make sure Ant does a fire giveaway for us, chat. I'll make sure we do a fire giveaway. I promise. This is what we're looking like. I don't hate. I still see potential to the upside, but I also see potential to the downside. So in that case, hey, we'll splash some risk on the trade. That's it. It's a game of probabilities at the end of the day. All right, chat. Anthony is giving me the word. We got to give a good giveaway today. So run up the likes. Run up the likes, and we'll do a giveaway right after this. A solid one, I promise. Well, I guess I need to BE my ES long since Marco's in short again. No, bro. I could be wrong, chat. I could be wrong. Let's see. The 1 minute's just closed with a little bit of an engulfing, so it looks decent for now. 5 minute closes up here in 3.5 minutes. This is what the 15's looking like. So chat, very similar to my entry I took yesterday. See how we spiked out this high? So if I just clear out the tools here. Look, we spike out this high. Entry was in here. Okay, so if it is correct, it's a very similar entry to yesterday. right? To yesterday in the PM session. 5 minutes giving a reaction right now. Nothing crazy as of yet, though, chat. Nothing crazy. So we just spiked into this 3-minute area. Again, could send us higher from here. If it doesn't, I just want to see rapid closes to the downside. And we'll attack these lows with aggression. If we don't, this will probably send us higher. Eye is twitching. What the hell, chat? Okay, so we're staying below right now. Again, like I said, if we do go long, this will send us to the upside. If not, I just want to see strong closes down. And then again, these lows down here. So we'll put a little bit of a dollar sign down here. Attack these lows. Because we got money down there. Still struggling. Still struggling. You can see on the 3-minute chart. Not good right now. Look. So we might be getting sent higher once we spike this low. M5. Yeah, it's just rejecting right now. Nothing pretty, chat. Most likely we're probably going to get sent higher from here. I could even just roll my stop above this reaction high here. I could take risk off. It's such a baby stop loss, though, that honestly, I could care less. I could care less. We'll just eat this L. I'm basing my decision on the 30-minute time frame? No. It comes from every time frame, right? The 3-minute, look at that, chat. No good. See what I said? If we're going to go long, this will send us long here. And we got that reaction there, so not looking too good. Let's see this thing. Let's see it through, though. These type of entries, due to my experience, these ones should be fast. Back down. I don't like how we're hanging out. No bueno. No bueno. 1 minute's showing a little bit of a rejection right now. Not bad. Is Trump still talking? I have no idea, bro. Someone I don't know who said in stream that Trump was talking. All right, more of a push right now. Looking decent. Nothing crazy. I want to see us break this low, though. Again, if we spike this low, chat, it's 1040. Yeah, if we spike this low, that could send us higher as well. So again, I just want to see us continuously stay below the lows now. Because that's a 5-minute. We could spike that and go long out of there as well. So we'll see, man. He could save us. I'm going to continue loading up these shorts on Euro, chat. I'm going to, listen, hop in the Discord, chat, because I'm going to send more charts on Euro. But I want price all the way back down here. And look at the potential we have, 370. This is a swing idea on Euro. So I'm going to continue holding trades on this. On CFDs. Right now, this ain't looking too pretty on NQ. I might just fucking cut this, bro. I would have wanted to see this thing sink by now, but we're not doing that. This is what we're going to do. just gonna drop my stop. I'm just gonna drop my stop. Ah. Chad, this shit's gross, man. Let's just get out of this trade by now. Marco Rubio? Who's Marco Rubio? Gold? Listen, chat. I'm sidelined on gold. I don't know. I wish all the best for you on gold. All the best. Always. Always and forever. Because I don't know where gold is going right now. Look what we're doing here. U.S. Secretary of State? Ah. I lost the account from gold. Chat, I don't know what else I have to say to you guys about trading gold right now. It's in such disgusting conditions, man. There's better assets to trade than gold right now. Just trust me, please. Let's be patient now, chat. I'm telling you, this ain't looking pretty. This ain't looking pretty. From my experience. These entries usually are quick, bro. They're quick. Let me set up the giveaway shortly. $50 macro? What does that mean? Did Aussie continue to these lows? Did I hold the lows? Yo, Aussie held the lows. That's good. Yo, chat. If Aussie gets up there, that's an idea. $10.50 macro. Yeah, I don't know what $10.50 macro is. Yo, this bouncing stuff, man. Look at this price action. All right, we're getting a little bit of a push right now, chat. We gonna come below these lows yet? Oh my God, look at this, yo. Chat, get me out of this position. Oh, hell nah. Yo. Excuse me. The thing is, even if this does short now, chat, holy shit, disgusting. Yeah, this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good. Grind of a trade. I mean, you know what? This shit happens, bro. The thing is, you can't let this destroy your mental. Like, this is this is trading. Some trades you're gonna get in and boom, it's either stop loss or target quite quick. Some trades screws around like this. And to be honest with you, due to my experience, when price action does this, this is not good for me. Bro, maybe we stay off the 1 minute and make it looks a little bit better. Still looks gross on every time frame. Relax, Marco. You sound like wifey. I'm out with BE. Yeah, that's all good, man. It's most likely just gonna be a BE day for me too, because this is, I'm not even counting this as a loss, bro. Look at this. That's $50. Look on the bright side, it's gonna go up or down. Yo, that's good advice right there. Look at the bright side, it's gonna go up or down. Yo. Chat, the game plan is, if we can get below these lows, I'm just gonna BE this shit and let it go. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's if we can get below the lows. Because at this point, God knows what if we're going to even get below the lows. Because I don't even know. All right, we just spiked the lows here. I'm going to just BE this, chat. I don't care to do my head in and be in this any longer. If it wants to come back out and take me out, so be it. So be it. Look at this. 1 second. You know, we have an emoji for this, chat, don't we? Huh? Hey Marco, how can you control your emotions? Stop caring. Not like care whatsoever. Like you need to treat this with professionalism, but like stop treating every single trade like it's life or death, because it's not. It's literally not. Like, ask yourself this: if you lose a trade, is it the end of the day? Is it really the end of the day? Are you gonna die? No, man. All right, we're staying below the lows, chat. It's looking decent now. Let's see if we can go through these time frames and make sense of this. 5 minutes looking good. What price point are we in at? 932? Oh, wait, no. Yeah, 932. I hate keeping the sell tool on the chart because it just makes my chart feel ugly. You know what we can do? We'll just stay on this chart now, the micro, since it's already moved in our direction and we've managed it. All right, chat, it's moving in our intended direction so far. So good. Look at the 30 did. Look at the 30. So the new 30 candle opened up, respected previous, printed the high of the 30-minute candle, and now we're getting that push down. The 1 hour is leaving a big wick. So 10 a.m. had that manipulation. Let's see if 11 a.m. can have that expansion to the downside. It's possible. It's possible. We'll roll this down. Only up 236 bucks across 5 accounts. Let's see. First target It's going to be about 900 ticks. Well, to be honest with you, I'm going to take one off here. If we can get down there. And then, yeah, we'll close down here at the low. See what the 4 hour looks like. Yeah. That's fair. That's fair. One sec, chat. Intermission. I have to blow my nose. I'm back. Back. I'm back in action. Chat. Wait, watch this. You can't see me. Back. Yo, I'm so grateful to just like that I'm feeling better. I felt like I was sick for like an eternity. Felt like I was sick for an eternity, chat. Marco is feeling great. I'm just happy, bro. I'm happy that I'm feeling better. That's all it is. That's all it is. Chat. Who's in this trade right now? Who's in this trade? Talk to me. W's, bro. Good stuff. We'll see if it plays out. The thing is, this is good now. We're in a really good position. You want to know why? I'll tell you why. It's risk-free. It's risk-free. Listen, hear me out, chat. Worst case scenario. Have this perspective, please. Worst case scenario, you lose $0. That should be your priority all the time. All the time. You lose $0. Think about it. That's the goal. Because trading is a game of survival at the end of the day. Capital preservation should be priority at all times. If you know how to manage your capital and risk, the numbers will do the work for you. Over time, you will just be profitable. Of course, if you're trading a profitable system. Let's see what happens here. So we just spiked out these 1 minute highs. I'd want to see a reaction right now. These highs here. If not, hey, we take this BE and we move on. The thing is, like, look at my January month, chat. January was tough. I was red, BEs. It was tough. I had to manage my capital. It was a game of survival. It's inviting buyers. Yeah, that's fine. No worries. I've already managed my position. I've done what I needed to do. I'm BE. That's it. I've had gorgeous trades this week so far. I'm thankful for that. And that's all I need to do. I show up every single day and I apply my system over and over and over and over. Look at these lows we're leaving though, chat. Look at this. Yo, what about BTC, chat? Listen to me and listen to me carefully. I am extremely bearish on all crypto. Okay? Extremely bearish on all crypto. So please, the last thing I want to do is continue reading. What about this buy on Ethereum, Marco? What about this buy on BTC? Bro, I'm bearish on all crypto. That's my bias, period. Bearish, done. Marco, what do you do when you read the chart says, but every time you trade those just happen to be a losing day? What do you do then? Ignore I lost 3 or 4 times on gold. Huh? I understand that losing is a part of the game. And it's as easy as that, bro. Losing is a part of trading, period. It's all a part of trading. Guys, to understand that there is no system, no strategy that'll provide you a 100% strike rate. So with that knowledge right there, you have to understand and accept for yourself that trading is a game of probabilities. You're going to lose, you're going to win. There's only one thing guaranteed though, losing. So the sooner you learn how to take a loss and move on with your day and stop caring so much, those are the ones that will see results. Period. Alright, chat. Probably gonna come out and tag me B here. I'm out. And would you look at that? I'm up $125 total. Alright, chat. 2 BEs for myself today. We did our thing. We managed risks. That's all we can ask for. Okay. Now, let's get this giveaway rolling. We're gonna do a giveaway today at or on Apex, Alpha Capital, and TradeZella. It is gonna be !coffee in chat. !coffee in chat. Boom. Enjoy. Go crazy, chat. I see wifey joining the giveaway. Chat. Go crazy. Get your entries in. All right, chat. Let's shut her down. Shut her down. Shut her down. Let's shut her down. Read the chat. Entries are closed. It's really not that hard. Entries are closed. Okay. Here we go. All right, we got the names in, chat. We got the names in. 1 second. Boom. Let's get this giveaway rolling, chat. Here we are. Here we are. First account is going to be for Apex. Lock in. Here we go. First account is going to be for Apex. Trading talks. 1, 2, 3. We'd love to see it. Let's go, bro. Congratulations. You've won yourself a free Apex account. Free Apex account trading talks 123 W's in the chat. Let's go, man. Guys, please, to claim your winnings, to claim your giveaway, follow the instructions in chat below. There you are, trading talks. Congratulations, bro. Follow the instructions in the chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Apex Capital here, or Apex Capital. Alpha Capital, here we go. Here we are. Let's go, chat. Boom. Assassin trades. W's in the chat for Assassin. Congratulations, brother. You have won yourself a free Apex account. Apex. I'm losing my mind, chat. Alpha Capital. God damn. Congratulations, brother. Love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Alpha Capital account for you. Please follow the instructions in chat. Last one, chat. Here we are. 3 months. 3 months with TradeZella. 3 months subscription to TradeZella. Let's go. This is a big one. Blade TV. W's, bro. Congratulations. Type in chat to claim your giveaway, please. And Blade, where you at, brother? Where you at? Claim the giveaway for TradeZella 3 month. Blade, where you at? Uh-oh. Oh, here we are. Let's go. Congrats, bro. Congrats. You've won yourself a free 3-month subscription to TradeZella. All right, chat. Yo, that was a fun and eventful trading session. Take it easy, Quiet Storm. Love all of you guys for hanging out with me. I appreciate all of you guys for hanging out here. Hitting that like on stream. It's always a great time. It always is a great time. I had a great week. I'll see if I can catch something tomorrow. Yes, and also look in the chat. Look in the chat below. Riz dropped a brand new podcast. So give it a watch. Like and comment. Tell them. Go in the comments, chat, and say we're here from Chart Fanatics Live with Marco. All right? Let them know. But I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember, trade safe, be safe. I'll see you guys next week. All the best. Take care.